Let's prime and paint some walls. Here are all the things you'll need: a roller skin, a brush, tray, plastic bag, roller handle. Use good primer, we like sticks best, and have your base paint on hand too. A 5-in-1 is priceless, screwdriver, putty for patching, and tape for bordering all of your trim and windows.
I like to just put a bag right over it. That side has a hole in it. Then you can pour the paint right in here, and when you're done with it, pull the bag inside out and just throw it away. Put a little tack of tape at the top, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna bang it in. Open our can, give it a shake.
First things first, tape your walls out. Morgan's going to demonstrate how to keep your tape strips nice and long by tacking it along the wall as you move throughout the room. Long tape strips make the end very easy because you can pull these long pieces in one fell swoop. It's very satisfying too.
It's always good to take the switch plates off. I use my Husky screwdriver. And take a little bit of the tape and give it a little outfit. Turn it in just like that. Ta-da! First thing I'm going to do is fill the holes that we made from hanging our patch and paint. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. But I am going to take my 5-in-1 and just make sure that there's not too much of a raise where the holes are. No need to use a lot. Just put a little bit on and give it a fill. You don't want it to be this like big patch. So while this is drying, because you want to let it dry all the way, we're going to prep our paint. Okay, I have my primer, and I'm going to cut in first. You don't want to like slather on the wide part of your brush. We try to keep a nice tight line so that it feels clean and tidy.
As Morgan said, cutting in shouldn't be a huge band of paint, but this also can leave a gap between your brush stroke and where your roller can hit. Once you've rolled out your walls, you can easily go back with your brush and give a little stroke to blend the two spots, your cutting in paint edge and your roller edge. This keeps your wall surface very clean without a buildup of paint to deal with later on. Next, Morgan's going to hit those patches with a light sand to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Feel free to use an extender for your roller, or in our case, we took our broom handle off to use. It's one of our favorite hacks. And there's our trusty bag. Karen's going to finish up priming here. You'll see that gaps between the cutting edge and the roller edge disappear as we ran a brush along there. And we finish up with our base paint. If you're looking to install one of our decorative finish kits, this simple paint refresh beforehand gives you the perfect blank canvas. And that's how easy it is to clean up. Happy painting!